Hey everybody, you know what? This is the time of the year when everybody shops online. And I'm not a big fan of buying food online, you know, those meal delivery services where everything is prepared down to the seasoning and all that stuff. But here's what I did. I saw a Groupon for Omaha steaks. Now, I don't recall ever utilizing their services before, but it said half price, and I was more attracted to the half price part than what was in it. So it came today by FedEx, and we'll give you, I know it's not polite to point a knife, we'll give you the first look at what's inside. So you've seen unboxing for electronics before, cameras and watches and iPhones. We're going to unbox a shipment of Omaha steak. So here we go. Now, notice I carefully never point the knife toward you. But before I do that, I want to let you know that we've got 4 fillets, 4 chicken breasts, potatoes au gratin, wow, Omaha steak burgers, and gourmet jumbo franks. Now, gourmet hot dogs. God only knows what's in that, but it says they are, plus a seasoning packet. So we're going to cut this open and bring you a little closer and let you see. If I don't cut myself. Because half the mystery of these things is getting the container open. But we're going to persist and wrap that back, cut this. I know some people that buy the steaks just for the styrofoam wrappers. But so here we go. Put the knife away safely. Keep our shipping package and open. So Mr. Camera Person or Mrs. Camera Person, if you come over here, that would be great. So we've got directions, or it's either selling something new. I'm not sure. Then we've got these special seasonings that you can probably get at Ocean State Job Lot for 99 cents, but I choose to pay more. Okay, and then what else we got here? We have a package. We don't know what's in it. Let's see what's in it. See, they don't label. Oh, gourmet jumbo franks, ladies and gentlemen. You see it right there? Gourmet jumbo franks. Let's see what makes them gourmet outside of the fact that they called it gourmet. So, here we go. Ready? Drum roll, please. Look at that! Gourmet jumbo franks. Not just regular franks, but gourmet jumbo franks. So we've got that. And now we have ground beef burgers. Now it doesn't say they're gourmet, but let's see what they've got. Let's see. Again, always point the knife away. And wow. Don't they look gourmet? Also could use them as hockey pucks. 4 gourmet beef burgers. Now we have potatoes au gratin. Let's just hope that these are not potatoes all rotten. Potato, get that, folks? Potatoes all rotten. Okay. These are probably those kind that are, I don't know whether they'd be those little kind that are dehydrated. You know, those kind like Betty Crocker ones. But let's see. Potatoes au gratin. Au gratin. Does anybody know what that means? Au gratin. Okay, unveiling of the potatoes. Holy Moses. Oh, look at that. 4 potatoes. Wow. You can feel that anticipation building. Now, we should have two more items in here. Where's the chicken breasts? We need to get the chicken breast. Oh. Here we are. 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And these are double sealed. See that? Double sealed for extra security. It's gourmet so far. I don't know if you agree with me. Oh, wow. Look at that. Amazing. If they're any smaller, okay, 4 probably equals 1 real size one from the supermarket. And then beef tenderloin steaks, filet mignon wrapped in bacon. Here we go. Going right. Oh, this is a different tape. Okay, and here they go. I'll tell you, so far I'm most impressed with the boxes and the dry ice. The original since 1917. Holy Moses. Are those, it said 5 ounces. I'll tell you. They better be better tasting than they are size-wise. And the best thing is you got a bag of dry ice. So that's the story. Oh, one more thing. A wine voucher so that you can get $100 worth of wine. You probably have to spend $200. But anyway, that's the deal. We're going to try these tonight. And that's a scoop. Tell me, have you ever tried Omaha steaks? Tell us how they were. Have a great day, everybody.